As featured on Forbes, the Piano Encyclopedia is revolutionizing the way people learn how to play the piano.
Acclaimed by hundreds of thousands of students across 75 countries, praised by more than 250,000 fans on Facebook. Amassing a total of 16 years of success stories and continuous 5-star reviews since 2005, the Piano Encyclopedia presents its proven and tested learning system that has helped hundreds of thousands of people accomplish their lifelong dream of playing the piano. Get ready to discover a unique piano learning experience with the Piano Encyclopedia's digital home study course, The Logic Behind Music, with over 25,000 interactive graphics, including on-screen virtual pianos, colored keyboard animations, and intelligent sheet music. This digital home study course will teach you how to play your favorite songs, improvise, play by ear, read music at first sight, and even compose your own pieces, all by discovering the logic behind the music. It's a step-by-step method designed to take you from absolute beginner to advanced level through a comprehensive 2-year curriculum, which covers every aspect of piano playing. Your lifelong dream of playing the piano will now become real. Contrary to traditional piano lessons, which focus on following old rules, mechanically reading sheet music, and meaninglessly memorizing which keys to play, the Piano Encyclopedia has developed a revolutionary method entirely based on logic and understanding. Musicians are not born, they are made. By understanding how music works in a practical way, you will be able to do what you previously considered impossible, and learning how to play the piano will become easier than ever. Prepare yourself for the applause and receive a standing ovation from your friends and family. This course has been designed for all levels. Absolute beginners will learn in a fun and exciting way, and advanced students who have taken classes for years but cannot play anything without sheet music will finally learn what traditional lessons missed to teach them. Simple but powerful concepts will transform your piano playing. Discover how to recognize hidden musical patterns and use them to learn new songs faster than ever. Learn the most typical chord sequences to unlock your ability of playing any song by ear. Use music formulas to instantly be able to improvise and compose music on the spot. Predict how music sounds before you even play it by learning how to recognize the most used musical blueprints. You don't need to be born gifted. You just need to discover the logic behind music. Begin your exciting musical journey. We teach the fundamentals of playing piano first, to make sure you have a solid understanding of the basics before we show you how to play your first songs. At the same time, we will also discuss what makes the songs sound like they do, and how to learn new songs faster. Create your very own music. Contrary to popular belief, composition is not a skill reserved for the musically gifted. In the same way a carpenter needs a hammer to build great things, musicians also need tools. By teaching you simple but powerful concepts, we will show you how you can easily create your own masterpieces. Master the art of improvisation. Whether you want to improvise jazz or blues, or even improvise classical music, like Mozart did, we will teach you the secrets. Our course is not reserved to a specific genre. The principles we will teach you work for all music genres, including rock, gospel, pop, jazz, and blues. And anyone can do it. Discover the secrets to playing by ear. The piano has 88 keys, and certainly it is difficult to guess which keys to play when trying to pick up your favorite songs by ear. Thanks to a simple trick, you will no longer have to guess, and you will instantly be able to tell which 7 notes will make up the melody of your favorite song, and which 10 chords will harmonize it. Read sheet music at first sight. Hidden patterns are also found on sheet music. Once you learn how to recognize them, you will start seeing notes as groups of bigger things. It works in the same way as you read English. When you read, You don't read letter by letter. Instead, you read words and sentences as a whole. We will teach you how to do this by showing you how to recognize hidden musical patterns. Skyrocket your piano skills. Learn what the greatest musicians know, but teachers never tell you. Master the secrets passed from generation to generation of famous musicians in an interactive, groundbreaking format. Get ready to enjoy a unique piano learning experience with the most comprehensive piano learning system available today. In addition to the main lessons of the logic behind music, you will also enjoy the practice booklets, the reference books, the playing by ear training suite, the sight reading training suite, the interactive harmony guides, the virtual piano software, the elite membership, the 1,000 videos exclusive gallery. It's time for you to begin your journey of playing piano with our step-by-step, easy and fun lessons that will take you from beginner to advanced. It's time for you to discover the logic behind music. Order now. Get the Piano Encyclopedia's digital home study course, The Logic Behind Music, and unleash the talent you didn't know you had.